Kim at Paulo, magkasama nga ba sa London para mag-photoshoot ng House of Little Bunny?
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
Nagbahagi nga si Chinita Princess ng mga larawan niya sa kanyang Instagram kung saan iminodel niya ang kanyang business bags na House of Little Bunny, kung saan nagpunta pa sila ng London para lang mag-photoshoot. Ayon pa nga sa naging caption ng dalaga, #turista in London, A+ for my #OOTD KSYC as I show off my House of Little Bunny PH bag. This design is called Shopping Tote and is available in 4 colors. I love this because it's a never full bag. You can put everything inside. Plus the material is canvas with a leather strap. See you tomorrow, bunnies, at House of Little Bunny.ph new collection. Launch 10 a.m. Tom, September 16. Visit our website, House of Little Bunny. Please check on the link in my bio to shop. Get your carts ready to check out tomorrow. Follow our Instagram for more updates. Excited for Tom. Samantala, pinaghihinalaan naman ng marami na kasama nga ng actress ang jowang si Paolo Abilino at siya daw ang naging photographer ng dalaga. Narito ang samut-saring komento ng mga netizens. Marami nga ang natuwa at inilabas na daw ni Kim ang itinatagong mga larawan na ayon pa nga sa mga followers ay marami pa raw yon at wait pa raw ilabas. Napakarami daw ganap ni Kim at Paulo kung saan namili pa raw ang actor ng All Saints na mga shirts at kung ano-ano pa. Kaya daw maraming isinusuot ang actor ng ganong brand at designs. Well, abang-abang tayo at mukhang marami pang paayuda ang Kim Pao na ipalalabas. Unti-unti na nga bang lumalantad? Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.